Blessings and welcome, my sisters and brothers, to the Law of One study channel, Conscious Channeling of LL Research. I am Robert, your humble host and messenger of the Law of One, and it is my pleasure to share with you these channeled messages. Today we shall go back into the archives, back to January 21st, 1974. And without any further ado, here is Hatonn. I am Hatonn. I greet you, my friends, in the love and in the light of our infinite Creator. It is a great privilege to be with you again this evening. It is always a very great privilege to speak. We of the Confederation of Planets in the service of the infinite Creator are here for the purpose of speaking with you and giving you directly our thoughts as you meditate. These thoughts are yours to accept or reject. They are constantly available to you. It is only necessary that you desire them, if you wish them. This is our service to the people of the planet Earth at this time. This is not our only service, but it is our most important service. Why are your people at this time not very interested in these thoughts? We have said time and time again that thoughts of this nature are what the people of this planet need, and yet they show very little interest. This puzzled us at first until we became more familiar with the reasons for the thinking of the population of this planet in general. We are now aware of some of the problems involved in bringing truth and understanding to a people so very long in the darkness that has been generated by those that have gone before them in the history of this planet. It is a very difficult thing to change thousands of years of erroneous thinking in a very short time. It is something that we will not be totally successful in doing. However, we will be, and we have been, partially successful in bringing certain information to those who would desire it. This is the key, my friends, desire. If the individual does not desire what we have to bring to him, then he will not receive it. This is exactly how the creation is designed, so that each entity, no matter where he is, or who he is, or what he is, will get exactly what he desires. Unfortunately, in some places, certain actions of one entity with respect to another cause an infringement that was never designed by our Creator. This results in a discrepancy in the plan of the creation and creates unfortunate situations, as it has upon your planet. It is necessary for man on planet Earth to realize this, and individually to correct his understanding of himself, in order to bring himself back into alignment with the plan and design of our Creator. Each individual must make up his mind, and he must do it now. He must decide whether he is going to attempt to understand and to serve in the light of the infinite, or whether he is going to seek for himself and follow a pathway that has been laid down for him by man on earth, rather than that provided by the Creator of us all. It is very necessary that the people of this planet at this time be made aware of the plan and the design of their Creator. Without this awareness, they may continue in their erroneous and unintelligent ways of acting. Each individual will interpret information given to him in a slightly different way. If it is of an intellectual nature, some individuals will not be able to interpret information of this type at all. This is why it is so necessary that man of earth at this time meditate and go within. For that which he obtains in this fashion will be information which is not of an intellectual nature. It will be the truth, the understanding of the original creation. Within every individual in the universe is this knowledge. It is only necessary to seek it out through meditation. If this is done, there will be no question in the mind of the individual. There will be no need for interpretation of information, for this is not of an intellectual nature. Man on earth considers that he has many problems. But these problems are not reality, they are an illusion, developed by his thinking. Nothing in this universe follows the laws man on earth considers the laws of generation of events. I have stated before that the only cause is the Creator. Man on earth interprets cause and effect in a very illusionary manner. This is not the way that the creation is designed. It is not the way the creation works. It is only necessary that an individual give forth love and light. If this is done, this is what will be returned to him. It is not necessary to consider complex propositions and plans in order to reach an objective that is assumed to be of great benefit. It is only necessary that you generate the love that is amply provided by the Creator of us all. This is how we were meant to live. Man on earth has forgotten this very simple principle. He believed that he can generate through plans and activities great pleasure that will come to him as a result of these plans and activities. And then he goes forth and does these things in great complexity, and very seldom does he glory in their product. But he does not learn, for he does not meditate. For within him is the truth of the pathway to the ecstasy that awaits him. It is not a complex pathway. It is not a product of his intellect, or of his abilities to act in the physical, producing great changes in the many things that he desires for his pleasure. The pathway, my friends, is simply love, a total and universal love, expressed for all things and all peoples and demonstrated daily in his activities and thoughts. And then, my friends, everything is returned. And this love that he generates is reflected to him 1,000-fold. For this is the plan. This is the design. This is the gift of our Creator. It is so very simple, for the Creator is very simple. The Creator did not mean for his children to find it necessary to generate complexities in order to achieve the state of ecstasy that he designed for them. It is only man on this planet that has become confused and drifted away from this knowledge. This knowledge is deep within you. It is part of you. It is part of everything that exists. Seek this knowledge within yourself, and then go forth in your daily activities, demonstrating to your fellow man this knowledge, and it will be reflected 1,000-fold. It has been a very great privilege to be with you this evening, and I hope that I have been able to give to you some understanding of that which man on planet Earth so badly wants and needs, an understanding of the principle of love. I am Hatonn, Adonai Vasu.